What if I told you you could learn English while you sleep,
While your eyes are closed, while you are dreaming,
while you are doing absolutely nothing?
your brain still working, still learning, still absorbing English.
Sound too good to be true?
It's not. Science actually supports this. And today,
We are giving you 200 of the most used English phrases, spoken slowly, clearly, perfect for sleep learning.
so you can press play, close your eyes, and let English come to you.
But first, stay awake for just a few more minutes because we have something important to tell you before you sleep.
Please don't sleep yet. We just started.
We need you conscious for at least 5 more minutes.
Just 5, then you can sleep. We promise.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Boost.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here. Awake or almost asleep, we welcome you either way.
I'm Kate.
And I'm Martin. And today's video is very special, very different from our usual lessons.
Because today, we are going to help you practice English in the most relaxing way possible.
Sleep learning, or as scientists call it, sleep consolidation.
The idea is simple. Your brain, especially during sleep, processes and stores information from the day.
So, if you listen to English phrases as you fall asleep, your brain continues working on them while you rest.
And many language learners around the world use this technique to reinforce vocabulary and phrases they have already studied.
Key word, reinforce. This works best for phrases you have heard before, phrases that are already a little familiar.
So, we are going to go through the 200 most used English phrases together first, awake, consciously, with explanations.
And then, in the sleep section, we will repeat them slowly, quietly, perfectly for falling asleep.
So you get double the learning, awake practice and sleep practice.
Double learning, same effort. I love that.
Martin loves anything that sounds like less work.
I prefer to call it efficient learning.
Efficient learning. Perfect. Let's start. Okay, we are going to go through the 200 most used English phrases in 10 groups, 20 phrases per group.
Each group has a theme. This makes them easier to remember, easier to use, and easier for your brain to organize while you sleep.
Ready? Let's go. Group 1. Greetings and starting conversations.
These are the phrases you use every single day, multiple times a day.
Listen carefully, then repeat after us.
Hey, how are you? Say it. Hey, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Say it. I'm doing well, thanks.
What's up? Say it. What's up?
Not much, just busy. Say it. Not much, just busy.
Long time no see. Say it. Long time no see.
How have you been? Say it. How have you been?
I've been great. Thanks for asking. Say it.
Good to see you. Say it. Good to see you.
It's been a while. Say it.
Same old, same old. This means nothing special is happening, life is normal.
Say it. Same old, same old.
How's everything going? Say it.
Things are going really well. Say it.
Can't complain. This means things are okay, not bad.
Say it. Can't complain.
I'm a bit tired, but good. Say it.
Keeping busy. Say it. Keeping busy.
How's the family? Say it.
They're all doing well, thanks. Say it.
What have you been up to? Say it.
Not a lot, just working. Say it.
Good to catch up. Say it. Good to catch up.
20 phrases. Group 1, done.
Martin, you said that like you just finished running a marathon.
20 phrases is a marathon for my mouth. It needs rest.
Your mouth is not getting rest yet. We have 9 more groups.
Someone please send help.
Group 2, asking for help and information. These phrases are so useful in real life, everyday situations.
Could you help me, please? Say it.
I'm not sure. Let me check. Say it.
Do you know where the nearest? Say it.
Could you repeat that, please? Say it.
I didn't quite catch that. Say it.
Could you speak more slowly, please? Say it.
What does that mean? Say it.
How do you spell that? Say it.
Can you write that down for me? Say it.
I need some help with this. Say it.
Who should I talk to about this? Say it.
Is there someone who can help me? Say it.
I'm looking for. Say it. I'm looking for.
Can you point me in the right direction? Say it.
I have a quick question. Say it.
Could I ask you something? Say it.
Sorry to bother you, but. Say it.
Do you have a minute? Say it.
I would really appreciate your help. Say it.
I would really appreciate your help. Thank you so much for your help. Say it.
Group 2 done.
Martin, your mouth should be muscle memory at this point.
My mouth is officially tired, but in a good way.
Muscle memory, Martin. Muscle memory.
Group 3. Shopping and everyday errands.
These phrases you need at shops, restaurants, banks, anywhere in daily life.
How much does this cost? Say it.
Do you have this in a different size? Say it.
I'm just browsing, thanks. Say it.
Can I try this on, please? Say it.
Can I accept credit cards? Say it.
Can I get a receipt, please? Say it.
I'd like to return this, please. Say it.
Do you have anything cheaper? Say it.
I'll take it. Say it. I'll take it.
What are your opening hours? Say it.
Is this on sale? Say it.
Can I pay by cash? Say it.
I'm looking for a gift. Say it.
Could you wrap it, please? Say it.
Where is the fitting room? Say it.
Do you have a loyalty card? Say it.
I think there's a mistake on my bill. Say it.
Can I speak to the manager, please? Say it.
Thank you. Have a great day. Say it.
Keep the change. Say it.
Group 3.
Martin, you said that like you just won something.
I did win something. I said 20 more phrases. That is winning.
Group 4. At work and in meetings.
Professional English. Very important. Very useful.
Let's get started. Say it.
Could you send me that by email? Say it.
I'll get back to you on that. Say it.
Let me look into that. Say it.
That's a great idea. Say it.
I see your point. Say it.
Could we schedule a meeting? Say it.
I'm working on it. Say it.
Can we discuss this later? Say it.
I completely agree with you. Say it.
I'm not sure I follow. Could you explain? Say it.
Let me check my schedule. Say it.
I'll have it ready by Friday. Say it.
That's not really my department. Say it.
Good point. I hadn't thought of that. Say it.
Could you give me more details? Say it.
Let's touch base tomorrow. Say it.
I'll keep you posted. Say it.
We're on the same page. Say it.
Well done. Great work. Say it.
Group 5. Expressing feelings and opinions.
These phrases help you express yourself naturally in any conversation.
To be honest. Say it.
In my opinion. Say it.
I feel like. Say it. I feel like.
I'm not sure how I feel about that. Say it.
That makes me really happy. Say it.
I'm a bit worried about that. Say it.
I'm so excited. Say it.
That's really frustrating. Say it.
I couldn't agree more. Say it.
I see where you're coming from. Say it.
That's a fair point. Say it.
I'm really proud of that. Say it.
That's a bit disappointing. Say it.
I'm over the moon. This means extremely happy. Say it.
I'm at a loss for words. Say it.
That really surprised me. Say it.
I'm on the fence about it. This means you haven't decided yet. Say it.
That really means a lot to me. Say it. I couldn't be happier. Say it.
That's really got me thinking. Say it.
Group 6. Making plans and arrangements. Are you free this weekend? Say it.
What are you up to tonight? Say it.
Do you want to grab some food? Say it.
Let's meet at 7. Say it.
I'll be there in 10 minutes. Say it.
Can we reschedule? Say it.
Something came up. I'm so sorry. Say it.
Rain check? Say it. Rain check?
I can't make it. Next time for sure. Say it.
How about Saturday instead? Say it.
I'll book a table for 2. Say it.
Where do you want to meet? Say it.
I'll text you the address. Say it.
Sounds like a plan. Say it.
I'm really looking forward to it. Say it.
I'll pick you up at 8. Say it.
Don't be late. Say it.
That one was directed at Martin personally.
I am never late. I am fashionably delayed.
Fashionably delayed, is that what we're calling it now?
It sounds much better. Say it. I'm fashionably delayed.
That is not on the phrase list, Martin.
It should be. It's very useful.
Count me in. Say it.
Can't wait to see you. Say it.
Group 7. Travel and getting around.
Essential phrases for airports, hotels, transport, anywhere you travel.
Where is the nearest bus stop? Say it.
How long does it take to get there? Say it.
Could I have a window seat, please? Say it.
Is this the right platform? Say it.
Could you call me a taxi, please? Say it.
How much is a single ticket? Say it.
I'd like to check in, please. Say it.
What time is breakfast served? Say it.
Could I have a wake-up call at 7? Say it.
Is Wi-Fi included? Say it.
The most important travel phrase of 2026.
More important than anything, is the Wi-Fi included?
Okay, continuing.
Could I have a late checkout? Say it.
I think I'm lost. Say it.
Could you show me on the map? Say it.
Is this far from the city center? Say it.
I'd like to hire a car. Say it.
Do I need to book in advance? Say it.
What's the best way to get there? Say it.
Is it within walking distance? Say it.
Could you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Say it.
Group 8. Health and Emergencies.
Very important. These could be needed at any time.
I'm not feeling well. Say it.
I need to see a doctor. Say it.
I have a headache. Say it.
I feel a bit dizzy. Say it.
I'm allergic to. Say it. I'm allergic to.
I need my medication. Say it.
Can you call an ambulance? Say it.
Where's the nearest hospital? Say it.
It hurts here. Say it.
I've had this pain for 2 days. Say it.
I think I have a fever. Say it.
I need to rest. Say it.
I haven't been sleeping well. Say it.
Could I have some water, please? Say it.
I'm feeling much better now. Say it.
Thank you for taking care of me. Say it.
Is it serious? Say it.
What do you recommend? Say it.
How many times a day do I take this? Say it.
I'll be fine. Thank you. Say it.
Group 9. Apologizing and responding to apologies.
Very important for polite English communication.
I'm so sorry. Say it.
I didn't mean to. Say it.
Please accept my apology. Say it.
That was my fault. I'm sorry. Say it.
I should have known better. Say it.
I completely understand if you're upset. Say it.
Please don't worry about it. Say it.
It happens to everyone. Say it.
No worries at all. Say it.
I forgive you. Say it.
Let's just move forward. Say it.
Water under the bridge. This means it's forgotten. No hard feelings.
Say it. Water under the bridge.
I appreciate you saying sorry. Say it.
It means a lot that you apologized. Say it.
Don't be too hard on yourself. Say it.
Everyone makes mistakes. Say it.
I should apologize too. Say it.
Let's start fresh. Say it. Let's start fresh.
I'm glad we sorted that out. Say it.
All good. No hard feelings. Say it.
Group 10 and our final group.
Encouraging and motivating phrases.
These are phrases to use when someone needs support, when you need support.
You've got this. Say it. You've got this.
I believe in you. Say it.
Don't give up. Say it.
Keep going, you're almost there. Say it.
I'm so proud of you. Say it.
You've come so far. Say it.
It's okay to make mistakes. Say it.
Every day you're getting better. Say it.
Progress takes time. Be patient. Say it.
You should be really proud of yourself. Say it.
Don't compare yourself to others. Say it.
Your journey is your own. Say it.
Small steps still move you forward. Say it.
You're doing better than you think. Say it.
Keep up the great work. Say it.
Never stop learning. Say it.
Believe in yourself. Say it.
The hard work will pay off. Say it.
You inspire me. Say it.
We are so proud of you. Say it.
200 phrases, 10 groups, and you just practiced every single one.
That is incredible. Seriously. Do you know how much English you just practiced?
In one video, in one sitting, 200 real phrases.
Used by native speakers every single day.
And now, those phrases are in your mind. Your mouth has said them. Your ears have heard them.
And tonight, when you press play on the sleep section,
Your brain will hear them again, quietly, slowly, and store them even deeper.
sleep learning is not magic, but it is powerful when combined with conscious practice like we just did.
You did both today. You are amazing.
Before you sleep, one last thing.
Our question of the day. Which phrase from today was new for you?
Which one surprised you? Which one will you use first?
Write it in the comments below. Even one word, even just the phrase.
We read every single comment, every one, even at midnight when you write it before sleeping. Thank you for spending this time with us today.
Subscribe, like, share, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.